Hey everyone, here we are at the Caribe Royale. You can see the pool in the back.
Makes you kind of want to jump in underneath that waterfall and cool off right now, huh?
Yeah. So, we'll show some more of the resort as we go along in this video. Alright, so we got the Caribe Royale. There's the swimming pool. Oh, we got a Dirk. What do you think, Dirk?
Man, that looks nice and refreshing. Especially, it's a nice warm day here, but that'll take care of you.
Yeah, and it's got a nice waterfall. There's a slide on the other side. People are enjoying the pool. Yeah, this is definitely a resort. Hey Dirk, I have an idea. Let's check out this place for dinner. What do you say?
Yeah, we can do that. I mean, I don't know. Bar food, not normally my favorite, but I'm hungry. Let's go ahead and try it.
All right, let's check it out. All right, so I've got the Philly cheesesteak sliders. And Dirk, what do you have?
I've got the shrimp and grits. It's the low country shrimp and grits because I can't come down south and not have the grits somewhere.
There you go. And we're at Stadium Club, which we'll get a shot from the outside here. But, so yeah, this is one of the restaurants in the Caribe Royale. And yeah, so you can see there's all sorts of, I'll zoom down here a little bit. Yeah, so the surround TVs. And yeah, so it's got a nice sports atmosphere. But now I'm going to hang up and let's get some food. Do you have any other final comments, Dirk?
No, I'm actually looking forward to the trip, and yeah.
All right. All right, now we've had our meal. What do you think, Dirk?
Well, I'm going to honestly say that I know our trips, we're barely into the trip, but so far this has been the highlight of the trip. I mean, this was a lot better than I expected from the bar. I mean, it really, really was good.
Yeah.
My pocketbook might not like it as much, but it was good.
Yeah, and I did like the sliders. I didn't eat all of it because I was not as hungry as I thought I was. But yeah, everything was good.
Yeah, so, I turned around and I got some asparagus, some grilled asparagus to go with mine. That was a great addition. Glad I did.
So Stadium Club gets 2 thumbs up. All right. Do a quick room tour. Say hi, Dirk.
Hello.
So this is like
sorry, I'm not trying to be rude. Trying to get some business taken care of.
This is the living room area. So this is a typical suite. I got a bathroom here with a sink. Get to the bedroom. We'll do a bathroom tour. Yeah, so toilet, nice big walk-in shower. Closet. So you got a lot of closet space. Lots of closet space. There's the safe. And then we have 2 queens. I ignore our CPAPs there. There's room for Dirk to put his suitcase. I got my suitcases in the living room. Yeah. So this is the room. It's pretty nice. So thank you, everyone. This is the view from our room. We're on the 8th floor. Nice view of the swimming pool. You can see the main building there. There's Tower 3. Over here is Tower 1. You can see the water slide. There is that building there. That's a poolside bar. So yeah, there's all sorts of fun activities. All right, so it's our first morning. I'm hungry. Dirk, you ready for some breakfast?
Yes, I am. I'm going right there at the top.
Yeah, let's check it out. So Dirk, what did you think of the meal?
So it was a pretty good meal. I mean, you know, it's a standard, pretty standard buffet fare, except for the grits, which you don't see at most buffets, which still good grits, but yeah, no, it was nice, pleasant. I mean, there wasn't definitely anything wrong with it. Nice, quiet, inviting atmosphere. So pretty good.
So, thumb up?
Thumbs up.
All right. All right, so we're going to step outside the lobby, take a look at the pool. Take a look at the waterfall. Beautiful Caribe Royale. So the Caribe Royale has got 3 towers. This is Tower 3. This is Tower 2 where I'm staying at. And there's Tower 1. They're 10 stories each. And then over here is the main lobby room where you check in. Slide. Over there is the arcade. And another pool area. The gym. Lots of good facilities here at the Caribe Royale. And there's even an arcade. Air hockey table. Giant Space Invaders. Claw machines. Terminator. Basketball court. All sorts of fun stuff for the kids.
Hey, Dave here. If you haven't already, now would be a great time to like and subscribe. And if you'd like to book your own trip, we recommend using Expedia.com. And we have a link in the description below that will help us out. Now, let's get back to the video.
Alright, let's have dinner. We're going to go to the Calypso, which is a poolside restaurant.
An Orion restaurant.
Yeah, I guess it's hiding behind, the name's hiding behind the curtain there a little bit. There you go. So yeah, it's a bar that is right next to the pool. So let's check it out. Okay, so we're here. Our food has arrived. What have you got, Dirk?
Well, I got the churrasco plate.
And I got the chicken Caesar salad. So
There's salad under that cheese somewhere.
yeah, somewhere.
Somewhere, yeah.
All right, we're gonna dig in.
All right, thanks. Whoops.
Hey everyone, we're at the Tropicale for breakfast. This is the non-buffet. I'm having the French toast. And Dirk,
I'm having the eggs Benedict. So.
all right, let's dig in and find out how good it is.
Oh yeah.
All right, so I'm having a waffle at the Tropicale. This bread looks really good. Dirk is still asleep, but I decided to have breakfast. This is one of the bars, Rum Bar it's called. It's currently pretty empty because it's like 3 o'clock right now in the afternoon, but I'm sure it's lively at night. Don't know what Dirk thinks of the bar. Let's see. We get his opinion
Hey everybody, how's it going? My opinion on what?
on the bar.
It looks like a bar.
It sure does.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Dirk and I really enjoyed ourselves at the Caribe Royale. Hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek of the facilities, and you will book your own reservation there or wherever you wish to travel. Be safe and have fun, and please use the link below. It will really help us out. Until next time, safe travels.